Destiny unfolds its mysteries not through clear instructions, but through subtle hints, whispers of the unknown, and serendipitous events that seem like mere coincidences. These signs are the universe's language, silently guiding us toward our unique paths. It's crucial to recognize and interpret them, as they often hold the keys to understanding our true purpose. In today's exploration, we delve into the enigmatic realm of these signs, uncovering the markers that suggest you might be the chosen one, destined for a path that transcends the ordinary and is marked by a profound calling. In a world where authenticity is often overshadowed by facades, you stand out for your unwavering honesty. You possess an innate inability to conform to pretense. Situations that demand insincerity repel you, as being dishonest clashes fundamentally with your nature. You gravitate away from those who aren't genuine, whether their focus is materialism, gossip, or duplicity. Your fake radar is not just intuition, but a distinctive gift, allowing you to sense inauthenticity from afar. This rare ability sets you apart as a chosen one, a beacon of sincerity in an often inauthentic world. Your commitment to being true to yourself and recognizing truth in others is a hallmark of your character, guiding your interactions and shaping your destiny. Your life is not one of complacency. You're driven by a profound yearning for more, a desire that extends beyond the mundane. Routine and conventionality are not your companions. You're constantly seeking something greater, something that transcends the ordinary confines of existence. The thought of merely blending in or following predefined societal paths is anathema to you. You're aware that life has much more to offer than a predictable job or adhering to societal norms. This incessant longing for something beyond the average, for a life filled with unique experiences and adventures, is a testament to your role as a chosen one. Like Robert Frost's less traveled road, your path is one of distinction, shaping your life in extraordinary ways and setting you apart from the masses. Your life's narrative is a testament to resilience in the face of adversity, defining you as a chosen one. From early on, you've been met with challenges that would overwhelm many, yet you faced them with remarkable strength. Each obstacle, each moment of hardship, serves a greater purpose, molding you into a wiser, more robust individual. Through navigating dark times, you gain invaluable insights and skills, enabling you to guide others in their struggles. Your experiences aren't just personal trials. They're lessons that empower you to be a beacon for those lost or in pain. By overcoming these challenges, you pave a smoother path for those who follow, turning your struggles into a source of inspiration and hope for many. Every test, every hurdle, is a part of a grand design, shaping you into an individual equipped to make a significant impact in the world. Ever since childhood, your pursuit of truth has set you apart, marking you as a chosen one. Unlike many who accept the world at face value, you question, probe, and seek deeper meanings. Your path is not of blind acceptance, but of exploration and understanding. This insatiable curiosity isn't just a trait, it's a defining aspect of your being. You delve into life's mysteries, unafraid to challenge established beliefs or societal norms. Your quest for truth leads you on a journey both outward into the world and inward into the depths of your own psyche. You live by the principle that an unexamined life, as Socrates put it, is not worth living. This journey of inquiry and self-discovery is unique, filled with questions that challenge the status quo and a desire to understand life's complexities. It's a path that not only defines you, but also enlightens those around you. Feeling like an outsider within your own family, you embody the essence of the black sheep, a unique and distinct presence that sets you apart as a chosen one. This sensation of difference permeates every aspect of your life, your beliefs, your perspectives, and your aspirations. It's as though you're an intricate, unique pattern in a tapestry of conformity. This feeling isn't just about divergent interests or choices. It's a profound sense of not belonging, of marching to a different beat. The disconnect can be challenging, sometimes leading to feelings of isolation or misunderstanding. Yet this distinctiveness is not a curse, but a sign of your unique purpose and destiny. It's an indication that your path in life is meant for greater things, beyond the ordinary expectations and norms. Your role is to bring change, to offer new perspectives, and to live a life that is true to your unique essence. Your innate nature is one of generosity and selflessness, revealing you as a chosen one. Despite experiences that might have turned others cynical, your heart remains open, always inclined to kindness and giving. This isn't mere politeness. It's a deep-seated part of who you are, an essence that compels you to share, uplift, and nurture others. Your generosity extends beyond material things. It encompasses your time, attention, and empathy. This altruism isn't weakness or naivety. It's a strength, a profound understanding that true fulfillment comes from enriching the lives of others. You give, often more than you receive, not for accolades or repayment, but from a genuine desire to contribute to the well-being of those around you. This selfless nature isn't just commendable, it's indicative of a special role, a destiny that involves touching and transforming lives. In a world often driven by selfish motives, your giving heart sets you apart as someone extraordinary, someone born to make a significant impact. Deep within you, there's an unwavering certainty, an inner knowing that signals your destiny as a chosen one. This is not just an occasional feeling, but a constant, profound awareness that you are meant for something greater. This inner voice guides you, a whisper of destiny that echoes in your every choice and thought. It's a sense of purpose that feels ancient, as if your soul has lived beyond your years, a timeless wisdom that sees the world differently. This feeling often manifests as a longing for a place you can't name, a sense of belonging to something beyond the physical realm. Despite attempts to ignore or suppress it, this knowing persists, a steadfast beacon in your life. It's an undeniable sign that you are not meant to merely exist, but to impact the world in significant ways. This inner certainty is a hallmark of being the chosen one, a clear indication that your path is extraordinary, destined to leave a lasting imprint on the world. In your journey, you've encountered an unexpected challenge, being disliked without any apparent reason. This experience, often perplexing and painful, stems from the very light you carry within as a chosen one. Your inherent goodness and purity can inadvertently shine a light on the less favorable traits of others, causing discomfort or even resentment. This adverse reaction from some can range from subtle unease to outright hostility, leaving you bewildered and hurt. It's essential to understand that this isn't a reflection of your character, but a reaction to the contrast you present. As your spiritual growth intensifies, so does your inner light, making it more prominent and sometimes challenging for others to face. This phenomenon is not about you. It's about the shadows your light casts in the hearts of those still grappling with their own issues. Despite this, it's important to stay true to your essence, to keep shining your light and being the best version of yourself. Your path as a chosen one is to illuminate, to inspire, and to bring about change, even if it means facing resistance from those uncomfortable with your brightness. Your belief in a higher power is not just a facet of your identity, it's a cornerstone of your existence as a chosen one. This belief transcends mere religious adherence, embodying a deep spiritual connection with the universe. You perceive a divine orchestration in the tapestry of life, a cosmic plan far beyond human understanding. This profound faith shapes how you view the world, lending you a sense of purpose and serenity that earthly matters cannot provide. Recognized as a light worker, your role is to infuse the world with positivity, love, and healing. This mission, divinely appointed, resonates with every aspect of your being. It's a calling that drives you to make meaningful changes, to spread compassion and understanding in a world often clouded by darkness. Your faith is a source of strength, enabling you to face life's challenges with grace and assurance, knowing you are part of something larger, a grand divine narrative. Your connection to this higher power is not just a belief. It's a guiding force, a constant companion on your journey as a chosen one. As a chosen one, you possess an extraordinary trait, an unshakable sense of justice and fairness. This goes beyond a simple understanding of right and wrong. It's an innate part of your moral compass, guiding your actions and decisions. You are driven by a profound need to stand up for those who cannot defend themselves, to be a voice for the voiceless. Your commitment to justice isn't just an ideal, it's a call to action that you live by every day. Whether it's standing against injustices in your community, fighting for equality, or simply being fair in your personal interactions, you are consistently guided by this deep sense of ethical responsibility. This pursuit of justice often puts you at the forefront of change, leading movements, inspiring others, and challenging the status quo. Your dedication to fairness and equality is not just commendable, it's a powerful indication of your role as a chosen one. In a world often clouded by inequality and injustice, your commitment to these principles shines brightly, marking you as a beacon of hope and a catalyst for positive change. It's a sign that your destiny is intertwined with the greater good, with a mission to create a more just and equitable world. As we conclude our exploration of the signs that mark you as a chosen one, it's evident that these traits are not mere coincidences, but significant indicators of a higher calling. If you recognize these signs in yourself, it's an invitation to embrace your destiny, to acknowledge the whispers of the universe guiding you towards a profound purpose. This realization is not just about self-awareness, it's a clarion call to action, a beckoning to step into a role that transcends the ordinary, one that is imbued with transformation, enlightenment, and impact. You are part of an exclusive tapestry, woven with the threads of wisdom and insight. Your presence and engagement in this journey are what fuel our collective quest for understanding and growth. As you move forward, remember that you are not alone. You are part of a community, a family of enlightened souls, connected in our shared pursuit of wisdom. May your path be blessed with prosperity, enlightenment, and the courage to embrace your true calling. Thank you for being a pivotal part of this journey, for together, we strive to illuminate the world with wisdom and truth.